Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So now that we've finished the teardown portion of it, it's time to rebuild. So let's get to it. So I already got the new radiator support in place. We were just putting it in there to line that mount right there. We were putting it in there to line it up, and I didn't really feel like taking this whole thing off again, so instead I just took all the bolts out and everything, and anyways, let's put them all back in and get her together. Okay, so I keep trying to film, but like every 10 minutes the camera dies. I think it's because of the cold, but I could be wrong. But it's making filming extremely hard, especially since I'm trying to get the truck done as soon as possible. So I just had to do some off-camera work, and I'll show that to you now. Okay, so I got the fender on. That little thing down there, it's broken. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, or if I'm going to do anything with it. But you already saw that I got that in, and then the 2 bolts inside the door, as well as these right here. It's minor rubbing, as you can see that little paint chip right there. I'm not too concerned with it. I'll open the door, so. Yeah, as you can see, it's like barely touching it. So I may fix that, but honestly, I'm not too sad about it. But the one that was really having some trouble was this one right here. As you can see, it's cracked a little bit, and it wasn't totally lining up. So what I did was get this jack that I have, and I put that little thing right there, that little step, and I put it right here on the radiator support. And I put that thing right on there, and I just jacked that forward, and I loosened all these bolts so that I could move this, and well, that's what I got. So I'd say it worked out. Okay, so I got the inner fender in, as well as the new coolant reservoir attached to all the hoses. I couldn't get that bolt in, it just wasn't lining up good enough. But I actually found out I could just kind of slide it into a little body like pocket kind of thing in there. I did bolt it in right there, so wiggles a little bit, but not too bad. It's actually really secure. But right now I'm actually just working on getting the battery in. Got my 13mm long socket here. That fits exactly, so I'm gonna get my ratchet and loosen that, put the battery in. Okay, so I got the battery in, got that whole thing down there tightened in, got the terminals all good, and then this little thing right here, that's all tightened up as well. So I think just need to put the airbox in, we're good to start it up. My automatic locks work again. Yay. Okay, air filter and intake are all installed, as well as the battery is, as you clearly saw. So let's start her up. This will actually be the first time I start it up, if it works, so let's go ahead and see. I believe that little weird sound is actually just the fan rubbing against the radiator guard. It's like barely rubbing, but nice, it works. Okay, I should have showed you this while it was running, but I have confirmed that it is in fact this little thing right here. I just pushed down on it and the sound got like 10 times louder, so I'm gonna have to find a way to fix that, but other than that, it runs perfect. Okay, so the truck is running. Only that light is on. I did test the high beams out, so I believe it's just the bulb on this side. Because the high beams did work. The signals didn't. Again, I think it might just be the bulb, because this side, these lights took right here, pretty much took the brunt of the impact, aside from the bumper. So yeah. I filled the coolant a little bit, kind of just letting it run to warm it up and cycle some coolant through there. But other than that, yeah, it's running in good shape. Just gotta put the hood on and then the bumper and then just gotta find a grill, and after that it's actually pretty much done. I'm now driving it just around my block. It's technically still not street legal, and my lights on my passenger side don't work right now, so I'm just going around the block for right now, but it's awesome that I got it working.